What's up, guys? So today we're pulling double duty. Carter's over there working on his engine, and Jesse and I, say what's up, Jesse?
Yeah.
Throwing some camber arms on his 350Z. So he's been having an issue with very, very uneven tire wear. Here, let me see if I can get a pic real quick. So if you can see, the shoulder of the tire still has plenty of tread, but as you get on the inside here, it's not good. So we're gonna be throwing on these, what is it, FDF?
FDF.
Yeah, all right, yeah, so FDF rear camber arms. Should at least get us closer to zero, if not all the way to zero. Zero's the goal, so. Take a look at this bad boy. Trying to get her back to the track. All right, so this is what we're talking about here. So you can see the outside of the tire is like almost brand new, and the inside of the tire is non-existent.
Spent.
Yeah, so.
Which makes it delaminate too.
Yeah. I mean, these tires are pretty shitty, so not the best example, but zeroing out the camber is definitely necessary. So.
Man, it'll fix my grip.
Yeah.
I need some more grip in the back.
All right, you want to do the honors?
Oh?
Taking the old one out.
Oh yeah, for sure. I need a 17.
It's right here.
No, I need a 17.
Wrench?
I don't know that I have one.
I thought Carter should have one. Well, I got a 16 and an 18. Helpful. That means there's got to be a 17 around here somewhere. 14. Alright. What do we got here? I got a curved 17. That should work. Cool.
I'll look at that.
It's for those odd angles, you know?
No, it's a 16. Oh, it's a 17.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah. Alright, so here's what we're going to be replacing with the new FDF arm. New FDF arm looks way beefier than this bad boy, so that'll be pretty good as well. Looks like it's just two 17mm bolts right here. So we're going to buzz them off with the big impact. Throw on the new ones. Should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully it's not too bad. It should break it without, not break it, but...
No, I know what you mean. Break it loose.
Yeah, it should break it loose without having anything on the backside, so.
Alrighty, our first attempt with the big boy.
Yeah. Alright. Now loosen this one too.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, this thing is a
You
beast.
should have seen other people trying to get this thing off.
Really?
Oh my god, every video.
Yeah, fuck that. No, this bolt is going to be a pain because it's got a... So we'll probably have to like tap it out.
That's gonna be the hardest part.
But I should be able to get this with a hand wrench now because it's spun free.
Like butter.
Yep. Alright. Sweet. So that one should, yeah, that one should slide right out. This one, oh, no, we're good.
What?
Damn.
Oh yeah, they said that you had to take off the
sway bar end link. Ah, that sucks.
Yeah, it does suck.
Alright, so it looks like this bolt right here, oh, come on, focus, there you go. This bolt right here has to come out, but it hits the sway bar coming out. So I guess we're gonna have to drop the sway bar mount, which, that's unfortunate.
Because it's a lot of work. Oh
well. It shouldn't be, well, we don't have to take the sway bar completely out, we just gotta get it out of the way. So we should just be able to remove this end link and this mount right here and drop the sway bar down.
Yeah.
So let's do that. Does this plate come off?
Yeah, it comes off pretty easy.
Yeah, let's pull that plate off.
Okay, so
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's super easy.
the good thing about this car is like everything is super easy.
Yeah, I didn't know if that whole entire thing was one piece, but that comes off in pieces, so that's like perfect. Alright, so we had to drop the sway bar to get the bolts out. So instead of undoing the end link because it was fucking impossible, drop these 2 bolts up here. These right here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So we got the arm out. We're about to put the new one in. What do you think? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Look at that.
This can't be. This is something.
I wish I could be watching what you guys are doing right now.
You can FaceTime.
Yeah, the FaceTime service sucks. It wasn't working.
Oh, it wasn't working?
I know, you would be having a blast right now watching this.
I know, and I'm already kind of like not having a blast.
Alright, this is gonna go here. Right on here. I need the nut for this.
Yeah, I don't know where the
The nut. Yeah. Alright.
Okay. I swear we're just installing car parts. No, it was this one. It was this one. Oh, let me see. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're the same.
If you had turtle, what was the turtle name?
Speedy.
Stop.
I'm not kidding. Speedy. Yeah, bro. Speedy. Alright, well that's back together.
That's seriously it?
That's seriously it, bro.
Is this all the way torqued down?
I mean, I can go through and tighten it more. I mean, I can hit it with the impact to tighten it up a little bit more, but yeah, I mean, it's all back together.
Up.
Nice and easy. All right, so pro tip as you're watching me go back and redo all of my work. Well, I mean, it wasn't really all of it, just removing a bolt. It really wasn't that bad, but you want to make sure that on the FDF arm, you've got the threads evenly spaced on either side. That way it's easy for you to go back and actually adjust the camber on the car. I don't know why I didn't think about that when I put it on, but I went to adjust it while I was on the car and it didn't really work. So save you a little bit of time. Make sure you get those threads spaced on either side. All right, so we've already done one side. About to do the other side real quick. I'm gonna show you. Super easy. It's super easy. I'm going to show you real quick what you got to do in order to drop this out. So we're going to get under here. All right. So this is the, right here, this is the arm we're replacing. Right here. So you've got bolt right here. Bolt right here. Now, this bolt is not going to come out without dropping the sway bar. Easiest way to drop the sway bar, just did it on that side, is this right here, which actually, Jesse, you are missing a bolt on your sway bar mount.
Really?
Or a nut. Yeah, so a nut here. It's supposed to be a nut here, and then actually these 2 bolts right up here, sway bar will drop right down, and you can pull this bolt right out. Buzz this bad boy off real quick. Helps a lot if you have a nice impact. Alright.
Did we drop the sway bar already?
Yep. Telling you, dude, this is super easy.
Fucking racetrack mechanic.
All right, can you do me a favor real quick?
Slide it in?
No. No.
Over that.
No. All right, I'm gonna tell Courtney. I know, right? That's because I didn't lube it up beforehand. You know, you gotta work it a little bit. There we go. There we go.
So much Bohemian Rhapsody today.
Heard is pretty good.
Oh my. First off, I didn't know Queen made that many fucking bomb ass songs.
Yeah.
They have every good song.
You were best friend.
Like, I didn't know they came to We Will Rock You. What?
Yeah.
You didn't know that was Queen?
Yeah, you gotta always listen to it with We Are the Champions after.
Yeah, they literally.
Yeah.
They do We Are the Champions too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're, you play them in a pair, basically, like every time.
You're fucking with us, right?
Dude, no, I'm not. I was flipping out during the movie. I was like, yo, they made this song? And I was like, wait, they made this song? And literally when they said We Will Rock You, I was like, oh, they're about to do a cover.
Nope.
Oh,
I
nice.
was like,
No.
Alright guys, well, I'm sitting here trying to finish editing this video to get it up for you today, and I realized that I did not film an outro. So, basically, we did the camber arms on the 350Z. It was honestly even easier than I thought it was going to be, which I was very happy about because we're kind of juggling a lot of projects right now. But if you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a comment. I respond to all the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. Hopefully next week we will have Carter's engine all the way put together. Well, at least as far as the basics, like the head and yeah, or the heads and the oil pan, the oil pump and stuff. Then we can start bolting on all the accessories to get it into the car. There is also some stuff coming on my 8.6. I know it hasn't been touched in a while. I know it was kind of like, it's kind of been all over the place. We ran into a lot of problems, just like stupid, tedious problems. And I'm kind of in the process of trying to move and trying to, juggle the silica and get everything we need set up for that. But there's more coming on that soon, very soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more, and we appreciate you guys. Have a good night.